Stuck at customs. Fined by inspectors. If you design, manufacture or import weighing machines in India, model approval is your legal passport. In this video you will learn if you need it, what it involves, and which rules govern every step. Welcome to MindSync. We provide compliance, consulting, legal and advisory services. What is model approval? Under Section 22 of the Legal Metrology Act, 2009, every distinct design or model of a weighing or measuring instrument must pass government testing and receive a certificate before sale or use. Think of it as the official seal that your machine meets India's accuracy, durability, and safety benchmarks. The legal framework. 3 pillars uphold model approval. The Legal Metrology Act, 2009 Section 22 mandates approval before manufacture or import. Section 32 spells out penalties. Approval of models rules, 2011, Rule 19 sets fees Rs 10,000 for mechanical, 25,000 for digital. General rules, 2011, encompass enforcement, stamping intervals. Who needs it and who's exempt? You need model approval if you manufacture any weighing instrument, mechanical or electronic, in India. You import scales for sale or distribution. Exemptions. Brass or carat weights, beam balancers. Textile or timber length measures, non-tape. Capacity measures less than 20-liter, milk, kerosene jars. Let's break a myth. I already have a factory license or import license, I don't need model approval. Fact is, model approval is a central requirement under Section 22 of the Legal Metrology Act. Factory license. You still need approval. Import license doesn't exempt you. Why model approval matters. Legal clearance. Authorities at ports and checkpoints recognize the certificate, no more hold-ups. Market trust. Customers prefer approved machines, they know your product is accurate and reliable. Risk mitigation. Avoid fines, seizures or even prosecution for non-compliance. Model approval process. Step 1. Application. Submit your model specs, think drawings, circuit diagrams, stamping scheme. Step 2. Sample testing. Send 2 sample units to a government-approved lab. Step 3. Certificate issuance. Once tests pass, you get a model approval certificate. Our team handles the paperwork, liaises with labs, and fast-tracks your approval so you can focus on what you do best, making top-quality weighing machines. Let's see some recent amendments now. Jan Vishwas Act, 2023. Simplified penalties to reduce compliance burden. 2025 amendments. Added rules for radar speed equipment and gas meters under the Legal Metrology, General, rules. But if my device is modified after approval? New approval is mandatory for any design, material, or circuitry changes. Already approved overseas. Here's a shortcut. If your scale follows OIML standards and is approved abroad, you can request a waiver to skip local testing, but Indian authorities can still choose to verify. Also note that India is now the 13th country in the world authorized to issue OIML patent approval certificates. Indian manufacturers can now get internationally accepted model approvals without sending their products abroad. Why partner with us? Model approval is non-negotiable, and the process can be complex. That's why our compliance support service offers end-to-end management of applications, direct coordination with labs and state controllers. Contact us now to know more.